Alright guys, welcome once again. My name is Daniel Libet. Nice having you in this video. Some students, JAMB candidates actually reach out to me on my Facebook and on WhatsApp, and they were able to express themselves to me, which I really felt for them seriously, because I understand what it takes to really prepare for exam. It takes a lot of things, reading and the rest. You have to try to discomfort yourself, just all in the name of trying to come out in flying colors. And some of these JAMB candidates said they are unable to read alone, as in when they read they sleep off. And some said they are able to assimilate whatever they read. And another person said that each time he or she reads and they read, they find it very hard to recollect what they read. And another person said that how can I know mathematics, as in entirely math is confusing and it's confusing and boring, and this same person want to do mathematics in this exam. So seriously, I was just like, oh god. I understood perfectly all what they are passing through, because this season is the season of exam, and from their speech, their chat with me, I noticed there is this fear in them. They are already kind of like they are scared, as in they don't know what will become of their results. Now that is the reason why I came up and to make this video. Please, I'm going to be telling you some things. If you can key into these things, about 5 things or more than, if you can key into it, you will definitely rejoice at the end of the day and come back to testify. Number 1 is that believe in yourself. Yes, this is the era of exam. I know that, but you have to believe in yourself. There is this thing about life. If you don't believe in yourself, of course, you will definitely mess things up. Believe in yourself and don't listen to whatever any man is saying, whatever people are saying about JAMB, whatever people have painted JAMB to be. People will say JAMB is hard, difficult, is annoying, JAMB blasted them and this and that. You are not them, you are you. So believe in yourself, believe you can do it, believe you can go in there. You can get that exact score you promise yourself. Believe it, you can do it. So believe in yourself, believe in the strength you have. You get it now? So believe in yourself. You can do it by yourself without looking at any cheat and the rest. Number 2 is that attend tutorials. Yes, this season is a season where students need to attend tutorials. You just have to attend tutorials so that you can learn more, for you to be tutored on different courses, different subjects you offer. You get it now? So that is for that. And that leads us to the next one. The next one is do group reading. If you are the type that hardly read on your own, you find it difficult to read on your own without sleeping, then why not to meet up with your friends who also have the same mind just as you are? I mean, friends that also have the same mind, not those ones that we just put away the main purpose of you coming together and start doing something else. As in, so those ones that really have the same mind, meet up with them so that you can read together. With that, when you are 2, 3, 4, as in, you won't sleep. It is because you are alone and because you don't master it. That is why you are sleeping, and discipline yourself. You get it now? So the next one is solve past question. This season, more of past question is needed to be solved. Yes, you need to solve more past question, because the truth is that JAMB has given you expo. Even JAMB has given you the best expo so ever. The first expo JAMB gives to you is the syllabus, by telling you the areas you need to read. JAMB is not setting questions from all the topics in your respective subject. Listen to this. JAMB doesn't set questions from all topics. That is why syllabus is given to you, which is also called area of concentration, AOC. Now, JAMB expected you to what? Expect you rather to go through the past question through the syllabus. Meaning you should read by the syllabus. Don't read outside the syllabus. There are things JAMB expected you to know. Expect of you to know, expect of you to attend, to have an idea of before you come to sit for that exam. So, but students just pick books and you just read anyway, anyhow. No, it's not done that way. You don't read anyhow. That is why you must stress yourself in reading. You read too much, whereas you have read based on what JAMB has given to you. You get it? So that is for that. And the next one is what? Pray. My dear brother, my dear sister, there is nothing prayer cannot do. Yes. Are you the one that find it very difficult to assimilate? You find it difficult to understand? You find it difficult to read on your own? Prayer can change a lot. Yes. Why not go on your knees and talk to God? Everybody has access to God. You have access to God. Yes. Everybody has equal access to God. You can go to God before you start reading. Pray. Talk to God and talk to that your brain, that my brain open. You can talk to your brain, yes. So with that, and above all, the favor of God. That is it. Pray for the favor of God, and with that, at the end of the day, you will come back testifying. Thank you very much. I believe you found value in this video. My name is Daniel Yvette, and please, I want this video to go viral on Facebook and or anywhere you're watching this video from. Make sure after watching, please, after watching, share this video. Let many JAMB candidates watch this video just as you watch and gain value. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you next. Bye.